Now, write a dialogue between you and the principal about your admission. Myself, may I come in, sir? Principal, yes, come in. Myself, good morning, sir. Principal, good morning. Myself, I did like to get yourself admitted to your college. Principal, what about your previous college? Myself, I was a student of Dhaka College. Recently, our family has shifted to Bangla Bazar area. I am facing problem in going to my college from Bangla Bazar. Principal, I see. Have you got the transfer certificate? Myself, yes sir. Here it is. Principal, it looks okay. I will introduce you to the clerk. He'll do the needful and help you. Myself, thank you, sir. Principal, you are welcome. Myself, my parents will come tomorrow to meet you. They are very busy. They are very busy today. Principal, what do they do? Myself, my father is a journalist and my mother is a doctor. Principal, both are busy professionals. Myself, yes sir, they are. Principal, so come tomorrow with your parents. Myself, yes sir. Goodbye. Principal, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.